Welcome to our channel. Are you planning to install an off-grid solar power system? Properly sizing your system is crucial to ensure it meets your energy needs and operates efficiently. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of sizing your off-grid solar power system. Steps are: analyzing the load, selecting battery voltage, day of autonomy, calculating the battery size, finding sun hour, calculating solar panels. To determine your energy needs, start by listing all the appliances and devices you want to power with your off-grid system. Note their power rating in watts and estimated daily usage in hours. Calculate the daily energy consumption in watt-hours for each appliance by multiplying the power rating by the usage time. Add up the total daily energy consumption for all appliances.
Choose a suitable battery voltage for your system based on your energy needs and the number of batteries you plan to use. Common battery voltages are 12V, 24V, and 48V. Higher voltage systems are more efficient but require more batteries. Next, day of autonomy. Determine how many days you want your system to operate without sunlight, known as days of autonomy. Consider the longest period of cloudy weather or darkness you expect to encounter. A higher number of days of autonomy requires a larger battery bank. Day of autonomy is 5. Calculating battery size. Calculate the required battery capacity in ampere-hours using the formula. Battery capacity equals total daily energy consumption into days of autonomy per battery voltage. Consider the depth of discharge and efficiency of your batteries when selecting the battery size. Here in this example, total battery capacity is 780 ampere-hour. Finding sun hours. Determine the average daily sun hours for your location, which represents the amount of equivalent full sun hours your location receives per day. Use online resources or consult with a solar expert to find the sun hours for your area. Consider 5.5 as sun hours. Calculating solar panels. Calculate the required solar panel capacity in watts using the formula. Solar panel capacity in watt equals total daily energy consumption in watt-hour/sun hours into system efficiency. Consider the wattage and efficiency of individual solar panels when selecting the panel size. Next plus points you need to know is inverter sizing. Choose an inverter with a capacity of 1500 watt, considering 20% oversizing. Charge controller sizing. Choose a charge controller with a capacity of 30 ampere, considering 20% oversizing. Wiring and safety. Consider proper wiring and safety measures, including fuses, circuit breakers, and grounding. Conclusion. Properly sizing your off-grid solar power system is crucial for efficient and reliable operation. Remember to consider your energy needs, battery voltage, days of autonomy, battery size, sun hours, and solar panel capacity. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching.